Hello, sir. Hello everyone, this is me Yuri and
Louder.
reintroduce. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, this is me Yuri and so my topic is procrastination. First of all, let me tell you what is procrastination. If we generally talk about what we do in terms of work, it's our natural tendency that we try to delay our work. Because the reason maybe like lack of motivation, fear of failure, okay, or you can say मन नहीं कर रहा. So if I talk about myself, that how I deal with procrastination, because you all know I have been through 3 years of depression in my case. So I know when I was starting in January, when I was starting comparing my studies and improving myself, then I realized that the best way to beat procrastination is start doing it. So in that point of time, when in January, when I was starting sitting practice, because it was really it was very difficult for me to sit for hours to study. So initially days I started doing some very easy work, like I started learning how to learn. I started completing all the story. So the thing is that if you ever face procrastination in your life, the best thing you can do is start doing very easy work. It doesn't matter, do it for 2 minutes, 10 minutes, and anything which is so easy that you can easily do in your like, कहते हैं ना कि नींद में भी उठ करा सकते हो. कुछ भी ऐसा काम जो तुमसे बहुत इजीली हो सके उसको स्टार्ट करो. एक बार तुम उससे करोगे, when you start doing easy thing, what really happens that it stick on your brain, that you get a very little motivation. Yes, I did something. At least I did something. So after that you get a motivation to do more. So the thing is that first of all, do easy work. It doesn't matter what the work. You just have to start. Second thing, our brain follows a very simple logic that is called following the patterns, or you can say neuroplasticity. Whatever you do, your brain follows this. It happens that sometimes एक very simple story like हमें साथ ऐसा होता है कि हमें ना सुबह कभी बार जल्दी नहीं उठ पाते हैं, बट 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन हमने अपने को मौका दिया कि हमने अलार्म लगाया या कुछ भी करके रोज 6 बजे उठने लगे. 4th डे से क्या होगा, अपनी बॉडी अपना 6 बजे वेकअप हो जाती है और उठ जाते हैं खुद से, बिकॉज आवर ब्रेन लव टू फॉलो पैटर्न्स. इनिशियल डेज में होता था मैं क्लास नहीं आया करता, ठीक है, बिकॉज वो ही होता था कि मैं यहाँ पे आता था, बहुत नेगेटिविटी होती थी, मैं घर जाता था, फिर वही सेम चीज होती थी, ठीक है, एंड फिर आता और वो इसलिए फिर मैंने फरवरी में रेगुलर क्लास आना स्टार्ट किया और धीरे धीरे सब चीजें चेंज होती थी. The thing is that when you feel procrastination, do easy work. It doesn't matter what the work, just do. Start it now. Second thing, try to start. That's more important. Do whatever you want to do, just start it now. That's the only way to beat procrastination. और second thing is that I don't believe in that मन नहीं कर रहा, ये सब चीजें बहुत फालतू होती है. मैंने 3 साल रह के देखा, मुझे पता है बहुत फालतू होती है. तो अगर मन ना करे तो भी स्टार्ट कर दो, धीरे धीरे मन अपना लग जाता है. यही चीज होती है.